Hello YouTube land. I just wanted to do a quick preview of members only cloud that we have for stained glass patterns. This is available for all our channel members. You can see files are created, bonus patterns, bookends, Christmas, Halloween, teardrops, and more on the way. Just wanted to give a little preview of what's going on inside. Inside the bonus patterns folder, we have beginner teardrops, the Down East Lighthouse, and as well the PDF separate. Here's a sample pattern of a beginner teardrop. It shows the versions come numbered or unnumbered for plotters. Little color preview, another teardrop, unnumbered, and more previews to get ideas. And all the patterns come with our Crafters User Rights license. So unlimited personal or commercial use. Gonna go into another area. Here's our lighthouse pattern. This is a 6-page print at home pattern, the preview of the 6 pages. The lighthouse pattern also comes for blueprint printing, full size 18 by 18 that you could bring down to Staples, Office Depot, FedEx, wherever they do blueprinting. Here's a color preview of the lighthouse. All of our patterns have color previews so you can check them out, see what they look like, and there's more. As well, the lighthouse has a PDF version for easy transferring, printing with blueprints, and 18 by 18 that can also be resized. With the simple blank version can be brought into 32 by 32 or what have you, or stretched if you needed that as well. And that's just the bonus patterns. And we move on to the bookend patterns. Inside the bookends you'll find a few patterns we have. Squirrel, butterfly, cat, celestial, dragonfly, and back to the squirrel. And that's the bookend patterns. And then we have the Christmas patterns. Here this Christmas pattern folder is jam-packed. We have the complete Christmas book files. That's 55 pages of Christmas patterns. We got the 18-pack in PDF. It's an earlier version, but PDF you can change the formatting and the option of having the JPEGs included in the PDFs. And our 2 newest patterns, the Christmas tree and poinsettia lantern patterns. In the Down East Christmas stained glass pattern book file, you'll see there's quite a bit. I could scroll through them, but trust me, there's quite a bit here. tree, and so on. You get the complete book, which that alone is a tremendous deal for our members. And it goes on and on and on. See, I'll go like that. Hit the pages. There's quite a bit here. 19, 20. As you can see, it's jam-packed. Christmas patterns. Some vintage, some new, some old. So yeah, you get quite a deal. $2.99 a month. I mean, one pattern is worth $4. Just one pattern. So you get that. And inside the Christmas folder, you'll find Christmas tree lantern insert. Showing the panels. You have the first panel A, and do it this way. Panel B for the middle, and C on the right, and then panel C, oh, I'm sorry, that's a blank panel for the door. I mislabeled that, my apologies. It's brand new today, and we put it in with the members only pack, cloud. And new today is our poinsettia lantern stained glass insert. Color preview. Showing the lantern. And again, comes with our unlimited personal and commercial use. It's all included. There's no restrictions at all. You make gifts, as many gifts you want, or sell them in craft fairs and what have you. That's all included with our patterns. And there's more. We have the Halloween patterns and the teardrops. In the Halloween patterns folder, we have the Witch Collection, the Bat PDF, Fright Night Flyers, Handsome Jack, and another witch pattern. In the witch pattern collection, you have the teardrop with the moon and the broom. And then for vinyl plotters, a little spider showing how you can overlay with a solder blob and some wire. Another witch abstract. And showing an option, you can hang this spider in the front. They're easy to make. You just take 2 solder blobs and some wire. Just a simple hat, a beginner pattern, and with the spider. And a hat with the moon, a witch with the moon. A color preview. Be a nice little fall craft show. The true stopper. And then just the solder and the blob, spider with the solder blobs. And again, our full crafters user rights. In our Halloween folder, you also get the bat on a tombstone with the moon in the background. Here's one of our early patterns, Fright Night Flyers. It's cute. You use a little bit of paint. They got some tombstones and a moon and 2 Fright Night flyers. Another early pattern of ours is the Handsome Jack. Comes numbered and with a spider overlay. You can also, with any of these patterns, just print, save it. You can actually draw on it if you want. So there's a lot you can do from our cloud. And a nice easy witch to do in our Halloween folder. And finally, we have the teardrop folder. And the teardrop folder has 9 of our popular teardrops. And more on the way. It's a little close-up of the teardrops that we have on our cloud, in our cloud. That is again for all members to use for personal or commercial use. And we will be adding more as well. I just wanted to do a preview of the patterns we do offer in our cloud that are free for our members. So if you're not a member, sign up today. Just click that join button down below. I'll have a link for the members for you to join if you're not a member as well. And in the post tabs, you'll get updates on new patterns in the members only post area. And we will announce it for the regular YouTube visitors. Hope you enjoyed the preview. Please hit the thumbs up.